Well, good morning. I'm finally out after about 3 weeks of inactivity due to various reasons. I've come this morning to a small nature reserve which is about 15 minutes away from where I live. It's a bit overcast this morning, so we'll do what we can, but it's going to be a bit tricky I think at the moment with the light levels. I'm hoping it'll get a bit lighter as we progress. But I'm out, it's Sunday morning, there's lots about, happy days again. I think if I've learnt one thing from my videos so far is that you definitely need to sit in one place and have some patience, which is something that I haven't always done. I've kind of walked around and just hoped I could stumble on something, but you know what, it just never happens. So I'm taking this morning's opportunities to find a spot and just sit and wait and see what turns up. Now, where I am at the moment is at the bottom end of the lake, and there's actually a heronry right in front of me, and the herons are coming in every now and then, so I'm hoping we can get some good shots of the herons flying. There's one just there now as I'm talking, circling around. We've got a few things on the lake, so we'll just wait and see what turns up really. Now the other thing is, I've now got the 7D Mark II, which I picked up at the photography show, Partex one of my old cameras. So what this is going to hopefully do is give me more reach and a faster frame rate. I'm also using it in conjunction with the 1.4 extender. I think I did work it out, it's something like nearly 900mm it gives me. Obviously there's drawbacks with that because once again you're at f8, it's quite cloudy today, so you're having to push the ISO, which on the 7D, because it's a crop sensor camera, if you push it too hard the picture really gets grainy and fuzzy and quite horrible. So again, it's a compromise about shutter speed, ISO, all that sort of thing. But anyway, we're going to try it this morning and see how we go, and we'll go from there. So let's see what it's about. Well, literally a couple of minutes after I've just spoke to you, heron comes in with a big branch in its mouth, and I think, well, I did manage to, I'm not thinking, I did manage to get this. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. And there's where we're shooting, look, straight up into those trees, and he just basically flew across with a big branch in his mouth, so I'm well happy with that. I think I've found a pair of ravens, which if they are ravens, they're a long way away. I think they are, but that is fantastic. I love ravens. I know they're probably just big birds to most people, big blackbirds, but they're just magnificent. The size of them, the way they fly around, everything. I just love them. Anyway, sorry. So yeah, so I'm just keeping an eye on them at the moment in a tree on the other side of this field. It's quite a way away. I'm hoping I'll do a bit of flying. There's certainly two of them, so I imagine they've got a nest up there somewhere, but it's great. Ravens, brilliant. Right, I've moved just a bit further up to the side of the island because there's a dead trunk in the middle where there's some jackdaws nesting. So I've got my camera set up now right on the hole. I'm just waiting for them to come back, and what I'm trying to do is get some shots of them coming out of the hole, emerging and flying off. They're not in and out that regularly, so it's just a waiting game again. But again, let me just show you where it is. Whether you can see, basically right in the middle of the picture. You probably can't see it from this, but it's right in the middle of the picture. Right, so it's about 1:30 now, so I've got probably another hour and a half left. I've just come down to the end of the lake. There's a man-made deck, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, so I thought I'd just come down here for a bit and see if I can get some footage of the waterbirds. We've got mallards, we've got Canada geese, mute swan, more hens, coots, and there has been a little grebe as well, which would be lovely if that came and popped its head up, but I think I'm wishful thinking there. So, but anyway, what a fantastic day. I think the sun's just trying to break through as well, which is lovely, just shining nicely off the water now. So let's see what we can find. Having said that, I'm going to have to wait a bit because now I've made my usual racket, lying down and everything. Everything's done its usual trick and buggered off. Anyway, I'm going to persevere for a bit. I'm getting some strange looks. There's a lot of people walking about, but do you know what? I don't care. Anyway, we'll see what turns up. Just pretty much rounded the day off perfectly for me. Just taking a last walk through the woods and a real good close encounter with a nuthatch. Beautiful, stunning little bird. It was calling as well. I didn't manage to get the recording, unfortunately. Hang on. Oh, there you go. The nuthatch though was just perfect. Got some nice video, I think, some good photos, I think, hopefully so. Great, what a way to win the day. Fantastic. I think I'm going to call it a day now. It's nearly 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I've been here since 8 this morning. So I think, yeah, I'll call it a day, but I'm definitely coming back. What a fantastic place. Absolutely stunning. I'm back at the car park now, but I've seen so many things. Hopefully we've got some good video and some good pictures, but it's just been superb. What a wonderful day I'll start again. What a wonderful way to spend a Sunday. So till next time, hope you've enjoyed this, and if you have, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time wherever I am.